Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn two things. One is checkmate and another one is stalemate. Checkmate. King has a check and doesn't have any legal move to get out of check is checkmate. Yesterday we have seen the example to get out of check. Now we will see the example of checkmate. You see the picture. The rook on a8 is giving check to the king. Yesterday we have studied that we can get out of check by three ways. C, P, R. C means capture, P means protect and R for run away. So can we capture the a8 rook to get out of check? No, it is not possible because there is no piece to capture the a8 rook. And can we block the check by any other piece? No, it is also not possible because we don't have any other piece to block. Can we run away to any square? No, it is also not possible because 8th rank is controlled by a8 rook and 7th rank is controlled by b7 rook. So this one is called checkmate. Like that we have to make the opponent king to win the game. If you are checkmating opponent king only, we can win this game. See one more example. Here the queen on h7 is giving check to h8 king. Here is the difference. There we have a check. There is no way to escape out of the check. But here in CPR method we can capture the queen because the queen doesn't have any support. So it can be captured. Once the queen has been captured, there is no check to the king. So it is not checkmate. In three method, the capturing method is working here. Let us see last and one more example for checkmate. Here you see the white rook on c8 is giving check to that king. And we have three methods. Now check. Capturing the rook is not possible. Protecting through any other piece is also not possible. And escaping, the only escape route is g7, but the bishop is controlling that square. So here also it is checkmate. There is no legal escaping square. Now you can differentiate between check and checkmate. Now we will learn about stalemate. What is the meaning of stalemate? King doesn't have check and doesn't have any legal move and no other piece to move legally. That is called stalemate. The difference between checkmate and stalemate is king will have a check and will not have any escape square in checkmate. But in stalemate we don't have check and we don't have any move to king and we don't have any possible legal move. That is called stalemate. If we checkmated opponent, that is win. But if it is a stalemate for the opponent, it is draw. If opponent has stalemated us also, it is also a draw. You and your opponent will share points each. Now we will see an example for stalemate. Now the black king on g6 is has to move. It is a black's turn, but the king cannot be moved because all the squares are controlled by both the rook of white and one square is controlled by king, and there is no check also and doesn't have any move. The pawns also are blocked. So this one is stalemate. It is draw. You both will get 1 point. Now we will see one more example about stalemate. You see white king on a2. Is there any check? No, it is not having any check. Can it move to any square? No, it is also not possible. Do we have any other piece to move from white side? No. So it is also white turn. So it is called stalemate. We don't have any escape square for king. We don't have any other piece to move and we don't have a check also. So this match is a stalemate and it is drawn. Last example for stalemate. It is black to play. Black has king on g8. It is the only piece. Can it move to f8? No. That square is controlled by queen. Can it move to h8? No. That is also the square controlled by queen. So no other squares it can go because all the squares are controlled by king and queen, and it doesn't have check also. Is there any other piece to move from black side? No. So it is stalemate. King doesn't have check and doesn't have any legal move or any other piece to move. Today's section over. Thank you.